The other day, they wrote another screaming headline that President William Ruto is micromanaging his government, and were complaining that he is hands-on. I've never heard anywhere in the world where anybody would have a problem with a hands-on CEO of any institution. All institutions that are known to be successful, all organizations that are known to have made a difference, they are those organizations that are led by a CEO who has a hands-on style of management. But our press have a problem with that. They are still in denial. We ask you to move from the denial stage to the one of acceptance. William Ruto is the President of the Republic of Kenya. He defeated you and your project, and there's nothing you can do about it. You can just wait for your time and make another bid. And these people, I must say, are shameless. They try every day to create a wedge in our government that does not exist. The other day, they wrote a headline in Taifa Leo: Ruto, akata, Gachagua, kucha. Now, when you look at that headline, it has no basis. It's totally obsolete and misplaced. They were trying to create an impression that the president and I have a problem. I want to tell you, the media, you are going to wait for a long time, and you will be disappointed. There will be no cracks in this government. This is a very solid government with leaders who have been brought together by a plan. Leaders who have been brought together by some commitment to work for the people of Kenya. The president and I and the rest of us, all our ministers, are all pulling in the same direction. We all see things the same way. So don't try to create problems where there are none. After they failed in that one, they wrote another one page. The Prime Cabinet Secretary